Hi guys, welcome to Code Bashers. Guys, as you all know that ultimate coding preparation series for Accenture is going on our channel. So in this series we discuss about the previous year coding questions which have been asked in the Accenture. The main aim of this series is that to make you understand new concept every day with the help of new questions. See, there have been lot of placements of Accenture, lot of coding questions of Accenture you can find on Google also, but most of them have the repeating concepts. So the main aim of this series is to bring new questions to you so that you can every day learn new concepts which will help you in your actual assessment. Okay, previously also 2 to 3 videos I have already uploaded on this series. Okay, you can find all these videos in this playlist. I will give you the link of this playlist in the I button or in the description box. Make sure to watch these videos as well, because in every video you will be learning a new concept. Okay, and guys, do join our Telegram group that we have made for specifically 2025 batch students so that we can discuss about the placement. Currently Accenture placement is going on, but in future lot of different company placements will be going on, so all the discussion will be happening in this group. Okay, so you will find the link of this Telegram group in the description box. Make sure that you join it. Okay, so guys, now let's start this video, and before starting the video please hit that like button as well as the subscribe button for this channel, because it gives us immense motivation for making more such videos. So let's start the video. Okay, so guys, the format of the question will remain same. Just a second. Okay, so first of all, we will be discussing the question, then the approach of this question, and finally the coding part of this question. So question here is, Alice has to climb n stairs to reach the top. Alice has to climb n stairs. Okay, in each step, Alice can climb either one step or m steps. Find the minimum number of steps to reach to the top of the stairs. Okay, so let's just see the input format. Input contains two space separated integers n and m. So n are total stairs and m is the integer value that how many steps at once Alice can climb. Okay. Output format is, it contains the integer that represents the minimum number of climbs required to reach the top that we have to find. Constraints are, our n is from starting from 1 till 10 to the power 9. M is also from 1 to 10 to the power 9. So it means the maximum time complexity that we can use in our solution is big O of log n. Okay, this is the maximum time complexity we can, oh sorry, not log or log of n, sorry. So the maximum time complexity that we can achieve is n. Okay, big O of n. Okay, so we cannot go to n square, n log n or n cube. We have to, like, maximum time complexity is big O of n because of the constraint. So let's just see the input and output first. So let me just so there are 5 stairs that are given. So this is n, this is m. Okay, so there are, the input here is 5 is 2, n is 5 and m is 2. So n is number of stairs and m is the how many stairs at a time he can climb, Alice can climb. So let me just draw the stairs. I know, man, for many of you the question is not clear to you. 1 2 3 4. So 1 stair, 2 stair, 3 stair, 4 stair, 5 stair, and he has to reach to the top. So starting from here, so he has to reach the nth stair, that is last stair. So starting from here, what he can do, what are his options? He can either jump 1 or m stair. So m is equivalent to 2. So from here he can either jump 1 or he has to jump 2, and there should be a minimum number of uh, jumps, minimum number of climbing that needs to be happen. So first he does 2 jumps, then again he does 2 jumps, then he does 1 jump. Okay, then he does 1 jump. So again, let me tell you, first he does 2 jumps, then again 2 jumps, then 1 jump. So total 3 jumps are there, 1, 2 and 3. So therefore our output is 3. So from starting from 0th stair, it has to reach the last stair, that is the nth stair, the top. Okay, so 2 jumps, then 1 jump, because m was 2. So I hope now the question is clear to you. We have to find the minimum number of jumps that Alice has to take to reach the top of the stair. So now let's just quickly move towards the approach. So approach will be very simple for this particular question. So what we'll be doing, we will be using an approach algorithm called greedy algorithm. Okay, greedy algorithm we will be using. So see, Alice has two options at every stage. Either he can climb 1 stair or he can climb m stairs. And what we have to find the minimum number of jumps we have to find. So what we do, okay, we start with jumping m times. So here n is equivalent to 5, so 5 stairs are there and m is 2. We start by jumping m time. that is we like jump 2 stairs at a time. Okay, so this is one jump. Then again at this point we have two options, either we can take one or we can take m jumps. So again let's just take m jumps only. So m jumps again we take, we reach to this stair. So again this is counted as one jump. Now at this again we have two options, one jump or m jumps. But if you will look closely, that m is now 2. So if we have to reach the last stair. Okay, if we will jump m times, so we will go beyond it, we will go beyond the array, so it will give us index out of bound array. Okay, it is not a valid jump. So at this point we only have one possibility, that is to use one step at a time. So this is also one jump. So here the answer will be 3, as we can see in the above input. Now let's just see with 10 3 with n equal to 10 and m equal to 3, then what will be the scenario? So again two options are there, so either it can take one jump or it can take 3 jumps at a time. So starting from here, again we are using the greedy algorithm, so we will take the m jumps. Okay, because we have to find the minimum jumps only. So first let's just start by taking the maximum jumps possible. So at this stage we have both the possibilities, one jump also we can take and m jumps also we can take. So we are taking the m jumps because maximum jumps we have to cover. So this is counted as one jump. Now at this stage also we have two possibilities, either one jump we can take and or 3 jumps we can take. So again we start by taking the 3 jumps. So again one jump has been counted here. So again at this point also we have two options, either we can take one jump or we can take 3 jumps. So again for the greedy purpose we are taking these 3 jumps. So again it will be counted as one. Okay, one move. Now at this stage we only have one option, because if we will take 3 jumps at this stage, then we are going out of bound, so that will give us the error. Okay, that is a not a valid move. So at here at this stage we only have one option to go to take one jump and go to the nth stair. So this is also counted as one. So here the answer will be 4, that minimum 4 jumps are required to reach the top of the array, top of the staircase. Okay, so to simplify what we can do is to simplify this. So let me just add one more thing here, one more stair also, that this is the nth stair. So at this point, when we were at this point, okay, let me remove this. So when we were at this stage, we had again either one or three we can take, but three is not a valid move because still we are going out of bound. So we can take one jump. So by one jump we will go going here. Okay, and by again at this stage again we have only one option left. So again we can go one jump and we can go here. So when n is equal to 11 and m equal to 3, the answer will be 5. Okay, so just wanted to make you one more test case. Okay, so if you will look closely, what we were doing, we were uh, we were taking, so to to summarize, we were taking m jumps till it was a valid move. Okay, m jumps till it was valid, and once m becomes invalid, we started taking one jump we started taking at every iteration. So just understand this concept. So when we were given the opportunity, so till we were taking m jumps as starting till it was valid, but once m becomes invalid, we started taking one jump at a time only. So how many m jumps we can take? Okay, starting with m jumps, how many m jumps we can take? So we have total n number of n stairs are there, total how many m jumps we can take? So simply n divided by m will give us total m jumps. Okay, and then how many one jumps we can take? How many one jumps we can take? Okay, so that will be n mod of n m, because if you will look closely here in the above scenarios, so how many m jumps were there? So 5 divided by 2 equivalent to 2, so 2 m jumps were there, this was this. Okay, and how many one jumps were there? It was n mod, oh sorry, 5 mod of 2, that is 1. So there was one jump. Similar was the scenario here in this case also. So how many m jumps we took 10 divided by 3, that is 3. So 3 m jumps were taken. And how many one jump was taken when n was 3? So that was 10 mod 3, that is equivalent to 1. So this is our this is our logic that is coming through. So how many one jumps we take? N mod m, and total total will be, total jumps will be, so let's suppose this is A, let's suppose this is B, so total jumps will be A plus B. Okay, so n divided by m plus n mod m, this will give us total jumps that we need to take to reach the top of the stairs. So I hope now this logic is clear to you. Okay, if you still have any doubts, you can revisit this approach again, or you can move ahead and see the coding part of this particular question. Okay, and guys, again, if you have not joined our Telegram group till now, please join it, because lot of discussion regarding 2025 batch will be happening here. Okay, currently Accenture discussions are going on in this Telegram group. All the links you will find in the description box. Do join this group. Now let's just move towards the coding part. Okay, so guys, I have already written the code. It's very simple. See, in Accenture, you won't have to take your entire input by yourself. You will just be given a function, okay? And you have to implement that function only. This is the function that will be given to you. You have to implement the function. So two arguments will be given, n and m. So I have told you we have to first calculate the m number of jumps, and then we need to calculate the one number of jumps. So m jumps we are calculating n divided by m. So I have already told you why. And one jumps we are calculating n mod m. Why? I have already told you. So we are simply returning the sum of them. Okay, and if you try to run this particular test case 10 comma 3, so it should give us 4 as an answer. Let me just run it. Then we will run 5 and 2 also. So n is 5 and m was 2. Okay, so 5 and 2. Okay, so guys, if you found this video informative till here, or you want to see more videos, you can write in the comment section, and do hit that like and subscribe button for this channel, because it will give us motivation for making more such videos. So see here 3 is coming, so it will pass all the test cases that will be given to you. If you have any questions or any coding questions you have and you want me to make videos for that, you can join a Telegram group and share the pictures there, so I will be happy to explain them via videos. Okay, so this series will be continuing till your on-campus exams happen. So I promised you in the last video also, and I am again promising you that we will become the one-stop solution for Accenture preparation for your on-campus. Okay, so do hit that like and subscribe button. Do support us by joining the Telegram group and by subscribing this channel. Thank you for watching this video.